Good morning, children. Now this is 10th class social studies. So this is the 14th lesson, children. We completed the 13th lesson in history. So 14th lesson also in the previous video I said about some points in this lesson, children. So what did I say in the previous video, children? I said about the Russian Revolution. What is that? The Russian Revolution. So the Russian Revolution started in 1917, March Revolution and also October Revolution. So in that revolution, what happened? Tsar Nicholas II. Tsar means the king of Russian Empire. So he was abdicated by the people, or revolutionaries. Okay. So they announced their country as a communist one, communist party. The main party is Communist Party. The people, they are called Soviets. In the Soviets, who are there? Peasants, workers, industrial workers. Okay, remaining people. That means large people are there in Soviets, children. Okay, the Communist Party leader who? Vladimir Ilyich Ulyanov. Vladimir Ilyich Ulyanov. That is the full name. Okay, children. Lenin. What is his name? Lenin. Now, Lenin died in 1924, children. So, after Lenin, who came as leader to this country? Stalin. Who, children? Stalin. So, after Lenin, Stalin came as a leader of this country. So, when he came as a leader on behalf of Communist Party, within a decade or few decades, he developed the Russian country in all aspects. Okay, children, he focused upon agriculture and also industries. Okay, so when he focused upon agriculture and industries, before he had a plan. What the plan? He started one plan, that is 5 years plan, children. What is that? 5 years plan. In 1928, he started 5 years plan. When he came as leader, 1924, after death of Lenin, children. Okay, so in 1928, he started 5 years plans. Do you know about 5 years plan, children? After independence, our country also, India also started 5 years plans. In first 5 years plan of our country, we focused upon the development of agriculture. In the second 5 years plan, we focused upon industries. Okay, children. So, likewise, this already started in Russia in 1928. So, after independence also, I think we also embraced the same ideology of Russia, children. Okay. So, now, look at. On those days, there were no opposition parties, children. Why? Because they do not allow the opposition parties in their country. The only one party is the dominated one. What is that party? Communist Party. So communism means what? Socialism. Socialism means what? All are equal in the society. You keep in mind that one. All are equal in the society. Okay, children. So when he came as leader, he focused upon to develop main two things, children. What the first one? Rapid industrialization. So he focused upon which place is the suitable place for industry setup. So he set up the industries on that place. So he provided irrigation facilities for the development of agriculture, etc. Second one is agriculture. Okay. So here in agriculture, collectivization of agriculture. First one is rapid industrialization. Second one is collectivization of agriculture. So in this way, so he started industries and also he focused upon the agriculture activities. So before Stalin, how the agriculture land, it was in the clutches of some people only, landlords only. So at the time of Lenin, he distributed the land. Okay. So after Lenin, when Stalin came, he started pooling, land pooling. So he collect all land So these all farmers cultivated the land. When the yield came or food grains came, so he distributed what are the food grains produced by or cultivated by the farmers at a time. So he distributed to all people. Next one, industrialization. Even industrialization also the same procedure he followed, children. So when the production came from the industry, so he distributed to all people. Okay, that means he took all welfare programs of the peasants as well as workers in the factories. Okay, children, peasants in the agriculture activities and also workers in the factories. Okay, so next one, at initial stage, children, what happened? They started steel plant in Magnitogorsk. Okay, so when at initial stage the industrial workers had to face many problems, children. Okay, their quarters also not moderated. They had to come down for toilet, second floor or third floor, etc. to the ground, children. Even though it is winter, that means proper facilities were not provided at initial stage in that industrialization at beginning, children, in Russia. But after what happened, when Stalin came as leader, he took all welfare programs, okay, for the workers, children. Next one, in 1929 to 30, a great famine occurred. Why the famine occurred? Because he grabbed all land and he started pooling. The farmers collectively started farming, children. Okay, children. So in this way, who want to oppose to surrender or give the land, so they had to execute it by the concerning government under the leadership of Stalin. Sometimes they will imprison, they had to imprison children. Okay, so that means they forcefully grabbed the land from the land owning people. They forcefully grabbed the land. Okay, so that is happening. In this way, some people suffered. Even they sentenced to death also, who possessed the land abundantly. Okay, so next one, who did not want to give the land to these farmers, etc. under the leadership of Stalin. Okay, children. Next one, welfare programs. So he took all welfare programs to workers as well as the peasants, children. So in this way, they provided crèche facilities to the workers. So crèche facilities means the babies, the women also working there. So if the women have babies, for that baby welfare or looking after the babies, they provided crèche facilities. Next one, public health facilities also provided. So if any workers will fall ill or sick, they are treating by the concerning health care or health department to doctors, nurses, remaining staff, children. Okay. Next one, quarters. Moderate the quarters. That means residing areas also moderate. Okay, children. So they are providing water facilities, electricity. So what they want in the quarters, the government provided to the workers all facilities, even though in quarters. Okay, children. Next one, they started primary education. Primary education means education is very important. So in this way, they started schools, etc. The people are going to schools and they are educating. So when they are educating, they developed. They knew about the present situation and how to establish their ideology and how to develop their families, etc. Okay, children. So that is also happened due to the education. So this education was started by the leader. Who that leader named? Stalin, children. Next one, the development is rapidly going on in Russia. Only Russia. We can see the development in Russia. Why? Because Russia followed a special method. Okay, but what happened to remaining world? For example, in USA, In USA, Great Depression occurred in 1929 to 1939. That means 10 years. So, due to the Great Depression, what happened to the remaining world? Many factories shut down. They stopped the production. Okay, children, the finished goods are like a pile off in almost all countries, like a stock. Nobody are willing to purchase the finished goods, for example, cars, etc., etc. Okay, children, why? Because they they have no power to purchase the goods. That system, that situation happened on those days. That is called depression, children. Okay, children. Now the world suffering. The remaining countries are suffering in the world due to the depression. Okay. So next one. So many workers they lost their jobs. Employers lost their jobs. So without employment, how can they earn money? So without money, how can they run the family? So that is why it is connection from one system to another system. Okay, so that's why even USA and the remaining countries also they suffered a lot due to the Great Depression, children. Okay, now next one, Russia. What about Russia position? Russia cleverly escaped from the Great Depression, children. How it escaped from the Great Depression? Because it has not linked with international market, children. Okay, the remaining countries linked with international market. So that's why they are producing more goods. Actually, for example, 100 goods are enough to their country. They produced 200, 300, 500 goods. Okay, so remaining 300 goods they exported to other countries and they are earning through exporting. But what happened due to the depression? They stopped the production. Okay, so that's why that country is facing trouble. Even the workers also lost their jobs. Okay, even the running of the family also, the family bread makers of the family, they faced many trouble. Okay, children. But in Russia, they did not link with international market. They produced how much they want to their country people. They produced from their industries and also they cultivated the land and produced, harvested how much food grains they need. Finally, what happened? They are distributing to the Russian people what they produced from the factories and what they produced from the agriculture lands, etc. So that's why cleverly Russia escaped from the Great Depression. Okay, so next, children, when it has a planned economy, which country? Russia. So that's why it escaped. Next one, even in our country, people also they inspired about Russia ideology. What is the Russia ideology, children? Communism or socialism. For example, in our country, the great leaders we know M.N. Roy, Tagore, and Nehru. I repeat once again, children. M.N. Roy, Tagore, and Nehru. Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, Jawaharlal Nehru, M.N. Roy, and Rabindranath Tagore. So they inspired about the Russian communism, children. Okay, but what happened in Russia? They did not allow the remaining parties, opposition parties. Only the Communist Party will rule the country. Okay, so they did not accept this type of this type of ideology, but the remaining ideology is good. So that's why they inspired. On those days, our country under the clutches of Britishers, children. Okay, so that's why our people are suffering. Okay, due to the Britishers' policies. So you keep in mind that one. Next one, in Russia, to spread the communism, the rulers they crushed the many people. So many people died. They killed many people, lakhs of people. So that's why one writer wrote one novel that is Animal Farm. What is that? Animal Farm. That writer name was George Orwell. It is the satire about the Russian ideology, children. Because the Russian ideology is communism. In this way, they crushed many people and they killed many people, children. Okay, so that's why in one angle it is correct, but another angle we may not support such type of ideology. So that is the lesson, children. Next one, I want to explain the remaining lesson in the next video. Thank you.